Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the simultaneous linear equation. So there are different types of finding the simultaneous linear equation. So today I am going to teach you about how to solve it algebraically. So we are going to learn about the algebraic solution of a system of linear equation. There are three methods in this. First one is by elimination method. Second is by substitution method. And the third is by cross multiplication method. So today we are going to learn about the first type, that is by elimination method. We are going to start with elimination method. We'll see the first example. Example 1. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. When you are doing by elimination method, you need to observe the variables. Here you can see x and y are the variables, and you must be able to eliminate any one of the variable. As the name suggests that elimination method, we are going to find the value of variable by eliminating any one of them. When you observe here, you have x and 2x. The coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of x is 2 in the second equation. If you see in the coefficient of y also, here you have 1 and here it is minus 3. In order to eliminate any one of the variable, we have to make the coefficients same. Now I will teach you how to make the coefficients same. Here you can see the coefficient of x, here it is 2 and here it is 1. So what we need to do here is, you can multiply the first equation with 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what we need to do here is multiply the first equation with 2. Now after you multiply, you have to multiply 2 for the entire equation. So it will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 into 5, 10. Now write the second equation as it is. It is 2x minus 3y equals 4. Now you can see here, you can eliminate 2x and 2x, but both are with a plus sign. And here you have plus and minus. So here you cannot cancel this because the variables are same, but the coefficients are not same. Now we are going to subtract both the equations by changing the sign. So once when I change the sign, this becomes minus and here this becomes plus and here it becomes minus. So now you can eliminate 2x and 2x and here it is plus 2y and plus 3y, which will be equal to 5y. So that will be equal to 5y, and here 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. So y value will be 6 by 5. So we have found what is the value of y. So now we have got the value of y. Now this should be substituted in any one of this equation to find out the x value. So now I will take the first equation x plus y is equal to 5 and substitute the value of y here. So replace, instead of y you can write it as 6 by 5 is equal to 5. So x will be equal to 5 and this, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 6 by 5. So x will be equal to, take the LCM, so it will be 25 minus 6 by 5. So x will be equal to 25 minus 6, which is equal to 19 by 5. So now you have got both the values of x as well as y. So you conclude, therefore x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. So these are the solutions of the equation. If you want, you can even verify. So how you can verify here is, you can just see 19 by 5 plus 6 by 5 will be equal to 25 by 5, which is equal to 5. So you can see this is satisfied in the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. The same way you can verify for the other one also. But if you verify in any one of the equation, you will be able to understand. So now you can have a quick recap of what we have done. The first step what you need to do is, you have to check whether you can eliminate any one of the variable by checking its coefficient. If the coefficients are not same, make the coefficients same as we have done in this example. Then you have to change the sign because we need to subtract. Then find any one of the variable. Then substitute the value of the variable in any one of the equation. And then you will get the other variable. Then you can verify it to check whether the given equation is formed. And finally you write down what is x value and what is y value.